welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing some Boxycharm unboxing. And as you can see, it already has a color in it. My daughter decided to decorate it or put a little bit more color to it. So anyway, with this Boxycharm, it's a little bit interesting for some new products that I've never seen before or I've never heard before. But a little card like this would really help distinguishing the products and the amount, the value. And for everybody that doesn't know what Boxycharm is, maybe if you are probably under a rock, Boxycharm is a subscription, monthly subscription for only $21 and contains products that cost over $100 sometimes. So it's pretty worth your money. So I think it's best that you subscribe, and to show you, and you probably see it from my other haul or my other unboxing, products are pretty ridiculously great. And I do have the card here with all the information of the products and the prices. Most of the products in this box are real sizes, like the actual sizes. So to get started, and before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe in my channel and hit that notification button. And so as we get started, I'm just going to pick one of the products that I will grab here, and this is the Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is called the Hush blush. I've never used any of this product. I think at one point I did got some like a lip gloss or like a liquid lipstick, but I really did not like it because the color is a little bit too funky. But this one is pretty much more promising. As you can see, it is very reasonable. I'm not exactly sure if yes, I think it's the right shade that is showing in the video. So I'm just gonna swatch it like this. Pretty Vulgar, you can probably see the products in Sephora, but all I know is that in Sephora they're selling those eyeshadow palettes that are kind of like weird looking vintage kind of look, and it does have vintage kind of look around here, but the packaging is pretty, it feels cheap. The decoration is like more artsy, and this retails for $26. So it's very in a luxury end kind of product. Well, the formulation is pretty nice. It's kind of like smooth. I love the color. It's not very shocking color or very intimidating color that would apply in my skin really nice. So I will try this, but it's something that I will not spend for, probably. Don't get me wrong. Don't quote me on that. Things might change in the future, but definitely right now, I'm just happy that I get to try it through my Boxycharm. The next product from my Boxycharm is South Main 3 Eye Gel Packs. See, I'm not crazy for eye gels and face masks, but if I have the chance to have it, why not? If there's some kind of like on sale or like something that would not make me spend so much money in Ulta or Sephora, I'll go for it. Why not, right? It's not going to hurt me so much. But this one, I've been getting a lot of eye mask and lip mask from some of my subscriptions. This is the South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels for $10, and it does have 3 eye gel packs. And I feel like it's a little bit expensive for 3 eye gel masks for $10. I think I mean, it can go a little bit cheaper, but it just probably depends on how well it works. And so far, I have not heard anything, any review about this. Well, it says that it would reduce puffiness and dark circles, which luckily I've never had that problem so far, but it's not gonna hurt if I try it and use it. So, but it's a good thing. $10. There you go. We already have $36 worth. And again, the Boxycharm is $21 per month. So the next product, which is I'm really loving, I always love Boxycharm, never missed a time that they never have some makeup brushes. And these are, well, it does have a step. Well, step 1 for the money, 2 for the shadow, and 3 go girl go. So yeah, it looks like some kind of like a transition shade eyeshadow application, and this is more of like the lid application color, and this one is probably on the lower eyelids, I mean on the lower lashes area. You can use whatever, and there's like what everybody's saying, there's no certain rules for makeup brushes. You can use it whatever or however you like it, but it's just really nice to get brushes all the time. I probably have like tons, well, not probably, but I do have tons of brushes now that I have collected from all my subscriptions, and this 3 is called the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a smoky eye makeup brush set. So this thing specializes for creating a smoky eye look, and this is the 3 combinations, $23.15. That is expensive, and nothing beats, like what I said, my favorite is Morphe, and because I don't know, I'm just so used to them. They do a great job for my eyeshadow application. So, well, this is a little bit expensive than them. And again, $23.15. I think we're way over the amount of the subscription of Boxycharm. So the next product that I'm grabbing is Double Decker Lashes. I took them out from their boxes already. I'm too excited to show you guys. And I have not tried it, but the price for this is $20. This is actually from Butter London. I know Butter London is more in their nail polishes. I've never really seen them creating some mascara. I've never heard of them before of creating a mascara. That's why I'm a little bit blown away. I've never tried it before. But if you have any questions regarding this, I'll be very glad to do a little bit information about this Butter London mascara. You can just like put your questions down in the description box below, and I'll be very glad to do a little bit of review of this. So, but let me see the wand. The wand is thick, like the common mascara, so I don't know what made them so special that they would risk it from the nail polish to the mascara, competing with all the mascara products out there. Let's see what they have, what they got to really feel very important that they have to compete with other good products. So the next thing that I've got, I think Boxycharm and Pure made a collaboration of this eyeshadow palette. So opening this palette, the colors are so nice. I love them because they're kind of like neutrals, and there's like pop of colors up there. These 2 colors here are very interesting. So yes, and definitely you can create all the neutrals down here. I'll be very glad to use them, or maybe do some get ready with me using this palette. But the retail price for this one is $36. So $36. I'm not exactly sure how's it, but I know Pure. I've never tried a Pure product before, of especially eyeshadow, so I'm not exactly sure how well their formulation is. But let me try it with. Oh my gosh, it feels really creamy when I swatched it. But of course, it's still different when you put them on your eyelid and see how it feels. So I'm really looking forward of trying to use this product. So stay tuned for some of the get ready with me or tutorial or whatever. You know, keep some comments down below in the description box. What would you like me to do next for a video for my YouTube channel? But if not, I have something special to share. A discovery of a perfect foundation that I've tried that I feel like is my go-to, and it's very affordable. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll be talking about that specific product. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm sure you've probably seen this so many times, but for all my viewers, this is my Boxycharm unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!